to drive my car for the first time, long distance, and I thought I'd change out the wiper blades since it's been a while. And we're about to get into the summer rains here in Florida. So I got these wiper blades from Amazon. Let's see how fast we can swap them out. So it really could not be easier. You can see I will hold up the little bit of instructions the package has here, but basically the wiper, that's the wiper mechanism that's attached to the car, just has a hook, and the blade has kind of a little tab, and you pull on that tab and it unhooks from the hook. You can just slide that off, and then you take the new blade, put it over the hook, and it just kind of snaps into place. And here's the tab that you have to press to unhook the old blade. And there you have it. I mean, that was super easy. It took me all of, 5 minutes right before I left for the trip. So thanks for watching. See you guys next time.